17109. Oh no! Flintoff is gone! And the Spicer! No! Magda, get down there. Right now. Our main man, the Spice. Oh, that's upsetting. They need to delist Ben McKay. No, we're not doing team sets. Yes, sir, Benjamin. Our main man, the Spice, is gone. Oh, I'm furious. Good luck. Legacy base, good to get signed. Yeah, I think you could say yeah. You'd probably want it like this way. I don't know actually. Maybe on the lighter teams. Yeah, I don't know. It still gets kind of lost on the card a bit, but it's not bad. No. These are just the shit ones from Officeworks, but they do the job. Sign a Cox card. Someone asked if these would be good to get signed. So on a team red and white, I reckon this one would look good. Like on the lighter cards, I think that looks fine. But if you're trying to draw onto a dark blue or you want to draw on this, like it's going to be a bit shit. But this, I think perfect. Oh, okay, Peter Lee. Good luck at the shop. Fix yourself up a nice little Bilsons. I'm going to have one shortly. Dale was looking for you. It's true, I was DDC because I was asking if you've got trivia tonight, and if yes, I was going to wish you the best of luck. I think you've got a genuine chance tonight. I've got a good feeling about you. Yeah. And my second question is, as the leader of the Amigos, what is your plan? I don't know how to ask this nicely without someone taking it out of context. Thank you, Josh. I didn't do my tickets today, or I haven't looked at my messages either. I just want to get these breaks out of the way today, and then tomorrow I'm back to normal, and tomorrow night's show will be just be a regular 6 p.m. job. You've still got one, like, don't worry. It's not going to get sold on you or whatever. There's no way Magda or Andrew are beating Bailey in a fight. All the ones that had already paid, speaking of legacy boxes, they have shipped today. I'm going to give you guys a week to pay for those, and then I'm just going to cancel the invoice. I think that's more than fair. The extra ones I need to re-invoice, or I didn't have your details. You will be hearing from me tomorrow. The ones who have ordered albums, the albums aren't out yet. As soon as they are, I think it's next week. And those ones will ship, the album and box combo. What is left in this case? What can we find? Bailey is a Bigfoot giant. So that's just mean, Magda. Magda, when you get a second, can you tell me how many people are on the prize list? It's next week, I think, Steve. I'm sure it'll be on their page if you want to check. It's not that we don't have them, it's they're not out yet. SPP 14. Barker. Cosy Pickett 22, number 177. Johnston. First SIG for the Eagles is Elijah Hewitt, 58. Mr. Black, Simon Black. Huge Bond, 12. 371. 222 on the Ken Hunter. Mark Williams. Goldstein, 322. Cornerstone of Danaher, 46. Winmar. Track, 240. Membry, 37. Eagles going off a bit. This one's Virgil, 29. Card number 54. Cashin. That was a copper DBS. Dirkers, 318. Wiley. Precocious, 184. Jeremy McGovern, Vortex, 05. Eagles again. Still down, Eagles. Terry Wallace. Nick Haynes, 226. Prime draft of the motorbike. Tabby has Wednesdays off. He works extra hours Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, so he has a day off. 98. So we don't see him on the old Wednesdays. Probably luckily. 44 Rewalt. Joey D, 84. Phillips. Hope you're well, Surly. 11 so far. Thank you, John O'Mania. Luke Parker, 21. Burke. 17080, I think it is the next break. Case break from last night. 185. Thank you to whoever picked up the Tigers in that one. Dowling, 420. Gorn, 70. We're due to hit a big dusty card too. Big Cox, huge, 110. Yeah, nice and calm so far, 351. A Mac, 52. $57 on the Swam. Ruse Getter DPS, Braden George, Copper, 41. Yeah, Peter Lee off doing the groceries. Maybe it's calm because he's not here. I don't know. 212. Malthouse. Roadhouse. Side bottom 24. Nick Nat Cornerstone. 85. Lenny Hayes. Roger Lenny Hayes. Toby Green 34. Fitzpatrick. Sheed. 149. Dawson 38. Neats. Legend of Merv McIntosh, 81. Enright. Any Jai Clark Platinums pulled today? Yes. He's the Geelong guy, right? If so, then yes. Dempsey. Ben Mack, 212. Jaden Davey, 44. Fritch, 263. Neats, 135. Aish. Hugh Davies, 250. 83. Jezza, 384. Bernie. Zeeble, 87. Jack O'Sullivan, 65. Catters, 126. No, you make there's someone out. Okay. Tyson. Oliver. 246. Aish. Pendlebury. 56. 156, sorry. Just make sure. Yes, 156. 5271. 142 on the header. Oh, nice. Thank you, Magda. Oh, thank you, whoever's taking him in the other break, too. Naylor. Andrew, I just want you to behave. Brisbane 261. Another legend. This one is the big Odie. 180. Jonas. 10. Big Cox. 29. Dawson. Is he 29? Or 19? Or 13? I don't know what number he is. He must be like 1 something. 12 maybe, actually. Lloyd. 274. Taylor Adams. 124. Super Pav. Platinum. DPS. And it's a navy blue team. Or is it purple? It's navy blue, and it is the new Spice-Man, Phoenix Foster, for the Cats. Hello, Becky's Fishing Adventures. Olazi Adventures. Time to hit the road. 0-2. 2. Knicks. Ollie Hollins. 342. Quainor. 20. Fitzpatrick. 357. Nicknat 319. Wits 119. Bolton Cornerstone 15. Lenny. Wow. 333. Caleb Sarong 95. That is it for 17109.